hope all are fine at home. In this video, we are going to discuss about gender of nouns. हिंदी में लिंग बोलते हैं. Students, all nouns and pronouns, सभी संज्ञा या सर्वनाम can be categorized by gender. That can be categorized by gender. There are 4 genders in English. How many genders in English? There are 4 genders in English. Which are they? Do you know? First one, masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, and neuter gender. All these are the 4 types of gender nouns in English. Which are the 4 types of gender nouns in English? Masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, and neuter gender. First we will see what is masculine gender noun. A male member of a species is a masculine gender noun. A male member of a species is a masculine gender noun. That means a noun word that tells us about a male living being. It can be human or animal. Is said to be masculine gender. See, a noun word that tells us about a male living being, human or animal. For example, father, man, boy, son, uncle. All these are including in masculine gender. पुरुष जाति को masculine gender बोलते हैं. पुरुष जाति को masculine gender बोलते हैं. Example, father, man, boy, uncle, etc. Next we can see what is feminine gender. A female member of a species is a feminine gender noun. What is feminine gender noun? A female member of a species is a feminine gender noun. That means a noun word that tells us about a female living being. That tells us about a female living being, human or animal. It can be a human or animal, is said to be feminine gender noun. Once more, a noun word that tells us about a female living being, human or animal. स्त्री जाति, महिला जाति को फेमिनिन जेंडर नाउन बोलते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वुमन, lady, mother, aunt, girl. All these are including in feminine gender. Next we can see common gender. Common gender noun is used for either or both males and females. See, a common gender noun is used for either or both males and females. That means a noun that can be used both for the male and female. A noun word that can be used both for the male and female is known as common gender. For example, servant. It can be male or female. Officer. It can be male or female. Teacher. It is also maybe male or female. Student. It can be boy or girl. Child. That also it can be a boy or girl. Dear students, all these are including in common gender. That means it used both for the male and female. Next we can see what is neuter gender. Neuter gender noun refers to a member of a species which is neither a male nor a female. See, which is neither a male nor a female. दोनों नहीं है. See, they do not belong to a particular gender, male or female. Neuter gender, they do not belong to a particular gender, male or female. That means non-living object or things. For example, chair, desk, bench, pen, pencil, book, etc. All these are non-living things. They do not belong to a particular gender. Now we can go through some examples. Masculine gender, boy, that means पुरुष जाति, boy. Feminine, महिला जाति को क्या बोलते हैं? Girl, boy, girl. He, that is masculine. Feminine, she. King, queen, brother, sister. Headmaster, that is masculine. पुरुष जाति. Feminine, headmistress. Yes, lord, lady, sir, madam, monk, nun, bull or ox, cow. Then buck, dog, horse, mare, dunder, goose, ram, ave, bachelor, maiden. Then grandfather, that is masculine gender, purusha jati. Feminine gender, grandmother. Step brother, feminine, step sister. Man servant, maid servant. He got, she got. Bull calf, cow half. Next, common gender, parent. It can be father or mother. Child, it can be boy or girl. Baby, that also can be boy or girl. Infant, that also can be boy or girl. Friend, it also can be boy or girl. People, student, doctor, teacher, can be male or female. See, pupil means child, can be boy or girl. Neighbor, can be male or female. Police, it also can be male or female. Enemy, thief, can be boy or girl. दोनों को thief बोलते. Gust, animal. Colleague, bird, can be male or female. दोनों को bird बोलते हैं. Then next one, neuter gender. See, neuter gender, they do not belong to a particular gender. It's a non-living thing, non-living object or thing. For example, forest, house, wood, hill, mountain, river, etc. Dear students, I hope you all have understood the difference between feminine gender, masculine gender, common gender and neuter gender. Have a nice day. Thank you.